Nice, graceful pulling out. Time of gear, flash down now. Downwind. Finals with spec on. Beautiful smooth approach. Slightly tricky conditions for that crosswind, but down safely, ladies and gentlemen. Simon Potter and the L39. What you can hear at your left now is the Avro bomb. Will make the ground shake. This may not make the ground shake, but it will certainly be a showstopper. Flown by Dave Johnson, chairman of the Large Model Association. This is a 5th scale model with 4 turbines in it. Mike's got the full details, so I'll hand over to him now.
Built by Dave and one of his pals, and it's completely conventional construction in balsa wood and ply, covered with glass cloth. So famously one of the Cold War bombers. And I remember when the Falklands War was on, I was away with my then fiancée. And we were stood on the cliffs down in Cornwall. We knew nothing of Vulcan and George Stanley bombing operations, of course, although we've been following events on the news. And we were stood on the cliffs in Cornwall on a perfect day, and I thought, what's that I could see just on the horizon? And it was 2 Vulcan bombers coming back from the Falklands. I never forget it. One was flying straight as they came in over the country at about 10,000 feet. The other one was sort of breaking away and then rejoining it in formation. And then, of course, a day or 2 later, on the news, they made public that the Vulcans had been down and bombed Fort Stanley. So I got a unique. The gentleman's asked me they want to organise a slot for you, please. So back to Dave Johnson and the Vulcan bomber. If you go and look at one of these in a museum, it's got an enormous bomb bay. The warhead, thank God it never had to do that. And I think Falkland operations, there was some incredible logistics with refuelling. Worked out by the RAF to get one bomber from Ascension Island, which is sort of mid-Atlantic on the globe, still a very, very long way from the Falklands. So multiple Victor tankers, South American allies basically. Anyway, they got over that, but fortunately no one lost, so multiple refuelling stops to get about 4 Vulcans down to Ascension, and one that actually got one bomb mid-runway on the target. But what a fantastic display by Daisy is a good example, isn't it? In a blue sky, bits of blue, it really looks fantastic.
I think there's a really interesting documentary and a book about the raid on the Falklands and just how challenging it was to refuel these aircraft. Stream to the other, from beauty, grace, streamline, and
yeah, you're quite right, John. I just had a close look at this, and it's really